grade 10.
Myself G. Pratap from grade 10.
From CMR International School. As we work day and night, there is no safety for our house and no one at our house to take care. So this project, that is keypad-based door lock system, help us to keep the safety of our house and from the robberies and disasters.
Now I will explain how this keypad-based door lock system works. When I press 7, 8 and 9, the door opens and LED glows. To close the door, we have to press hashtag or star button. Through this, the door will be closed and the red LED will glow. By this, we can stop robberies. And the coding of this Arduino is very simple and will be available in the internet. The materials required are Arduino Uno, jumper wires, keypad, breadboard and servo motor.
And it only costs worth of 1,000 rupees, which can be done in our houses too. So the idea which I have brought up is this one, and it is also shared with my teammate, and we worked on this project and done with